Hello YouTube, hi, this is Andrew, and yeah, I apologize, it's been ages since I have made a recent video. Alright, so basically I had a question from a former classmate, Ronald Labby. I do apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Anyways, he was basically asking the difference between inner and outer joins. Well, alright, so basically I'm going to go through a few small things that kind of had to be done or to make this work. So right now I have what's known as a one-to-many relationship. Pretty much just want to see who purchased, what customers purchased, what items, but yeah. So in order to make this happen, save. In order to make this pretty much happen, you have to have and see, yeah, when you do this correctly, it'll display both. Okay, so I have my customer, I have 4 different tables, so I have customers matching and products matching and customers not matching and products not matching. So let's go for ones that are matching for right now. So in order to do this, pretty much you'll, well, let's shut you down then. Okay, so in order to do this, now you'll have to have of course, a primary key, and this right here actually is the secondary key to the other table. So let's go to the customers matching. So, all right, so you got CID, customer ID, which is the auto number. And if we go over to here, you got CID also, but it's just a regular number. And the best way to do that is literally just copy and paste. If I were to go here, Control C, or right click and copy, go over here, view, and paste. Okay, yeah, where it's okay. All right, so basically, you're going to make it so it's pretty much the same thing. So you got 11, 11, 21, 21, so they pretty much match. Or they might not match, which will show up, which will show us a little later. So let's delete that. Now, what an inner and outer join is, it's kind of basically an easier way to find out what information is extra and that's empty or something. Kind of the only way to describe it. So let's get out of the ones that are matching. All right, and I'm going to go play around with. Oh, and I made a query earlier ago. So I got the not matching one, and I got the matching. So far I haven't changed anything in here. Pretty much, they both match. 26 fields total. See right here, 26 fields, and 26 fields. Right there. Okay, so I didn't change anything yet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I want to make sure the matching one, I'm going to start jacking out the matching one, the not matching one, so you can see a little bit on what this does. All right, so let's go to, now let's assets on the products. All right, we're going to make just whatever example. Today's date. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving, by the way, for U.S. residents. One. Well, let's just wait. Yeah, 1. So this is going to have something in there. And actually, you know what? 2. Let's see here, 3.34. Actually, let's show what it does to begin with. 0. Let's leave it blank. Okay, save it. Now let's go to the not matching. And okay, so right now I have it where they're both pretty much joined to where everything that has something is in there. I even have this as a 0. So watch this. So pretty much inner and outer joins is commonly known as like left and right joins. So all right, so right now you see it says only include rows where join fields in both tables are equal. That's why I didn't see information that I showed you. Okay, so let's run this again. So I still have 26 fields. We know we add another product of just whatever, and it didn't have anything in there. Okay, so let's go back. Let's say, okay, so this includes all records from customers not matching. So there's between left and right field. So you see this is the left table, this is the right table. So the left is going to be customers. So our parameter is going to favor customers here. All right, hit OK. And see how that arrow switched a little bit? It went like there. Watch this again. Let's go switch that around. And right there. So it just kind of switches what you want to look at. I can run it right here right now. Okay, so check this out. All right, so the example's right there, 0 products. And showing that, you know, the customers is empty. Now let's switch it around. Oh, wait. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, yeah, because customers is fine. Yeah, we have the same amount of customers. Well, now if I were to go and add more to the customers, let's test. Okay, let's add one more so we're completely uneven. Okay, so now let's just kind of remove a few things here. So I had the first name and last name. Yeah, I guess that was about it. Okay, so let's just move. And move. Let's kind of do it like this. Save it. Save this. Not matching. So, all right, so let's refresh that. So let's go back here. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so, yep, you got your example. You had 27. I guess at some point they mashed it somewhere. So, because there's well, one extra. So the one extra is the person that's not there. And yeah, so they both kind of match at this moment. So yeah, so it's pretty much if you have a whole lot of stuff that's not matching, and you just want to fix things out and figure it out, that'll work. So now there's one other neat way to do this. So if we just keep it the way it is, so if I want to do, because honestly, I pretty much don't use this too much, to be honest. Unless you have thousands of fields and you're trying to figure out which one is off. But if you know what you're looking for, this will work easier. You just write is null. And I'll just keep last name right here. Actually, yeah, let's do, yeah. So run it. So there we go. So this is null, that's null, or null and void, or 0. Let's go back here. Let's go to the quantity. Quantity. Oh, I got it. Okay. It's null. Run it. There you go. So, yeah, in a nutshell, I mean, if you know what you're looking for, don't really need to go this route. But, works, it works. So now let's get it back to where everything's going to match, pretty much. There we go. 26 fields again. Yeah, now let's pretty much go back to our customers. All right. Delete this guy. Yep, I'm deleting you. Delete this guy. Because we already know what we're doing. Products not matching. Delete this guy. And there we go. So, all right. Refresh it. And yeah, so pretty much it should look the same. All right. And how I'm doing this, I'm literally just double clicking on it. You can also right click. Make sure you click it and then right click, same thing. All right, just double click it. All right. And there you go, that's pretty much about it. And yeah, matching query, everything's the same as I said before. So, all right. And like I said before, what you're looking at. So, I guess you just kind of read it. Like pretty much the first thing is what it's going to look for. Come on. So, include all records from customers matching. Okay, so the customers is on the left side, so it's going to be a left join. Right here, all records from products matching. If I click here, it's going to go to the right side. Let's do this, and let's go to SQL and right join. See? Go back here. And a left join. All right, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess short and sweet. All right, yeah, the next video I'm going to show you something really quick on pretty much just a quick shortcut or something nice. Like you notice how these are autofills, but it goes up in increments of 10. It's kind of hard sometimes with Access. FileMaker makes this really easy to do that. So I'll just throw that as a FileMaker versus Access thing pretty soon. All right, well, hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving, and I shall see you again next time. Hello, YouTube. This is Andrew Bartlett, and I thank you so very much for coming to my channel. My expertise is pretty much the data management or some coding and analytical videos, pretty much. I'm a MIS major. I'll be having my degree in Management Information Systems, Bachelor of Science, in May this year of 2018. So thank you again for coming to this channel, and please let me know anything you might want to see after watching the channel, after watching the videos, anything you might want to see, anything you want to know, like, comment, subscribe, you name it. Thank you again. Thank you very much for coming to this channel, and have a great day.